welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, haul videos, and rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So today I have a super fun and super easy project for you guys to share with this upcoming holiday season. You can use it for not just holidays, you can do it for birthday countdowns, you can do it for pretty much any event that you have going on that you want to do something a little special for, or if you're just making up a bunch of gift bags for people and you want an easy way to do so, I got you. As always, a list of the supplies needed will be in the description box below, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, for our advent calendars, you're going to need just some paper bags. These are just brown paper lunch bags. You can get these at the Dollar Tree or at any grocery store. And then you're going to need items to fill your bags. So I'm going to show you what I'm putting in my daughter's bags to give you an idea. So my daughter loves Hershey Kisses. So I got her a pack of Hershey Kisses. She also loves Sour Patch Kids, so I got her a pack of those. I got her some super cute baby dino Band-Aids because everybody needs Band-Aids. I got her a set of Peds socks. And all of these items that I'm showing you, I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'm including one of these gem 8-piece manicure nail sets because you can always use tweezers and nail clippers. I'm including one of the pumpkin pie chapsticks. One of these super cute Disney candy cane swirl flavored lip balms. These fun towel scrunchies for like when she's done with taking a shower to put her hair up at night. We got the squishy surprise jellies because she loves squishies. She loves fidget toys, so I got her this Twisty Beads fidget toy. I got her this fidget spin toy. And we also have a heat patch for, because, you know, sadly, when it's your time of the month, ladies, you know, it's uncomfortable. So I know she really likes the heat patches to put on when she's not feeling good. So those are just some of the items that I got for my daughter for her advent calendar. And then, so to tag our advent calendars, I picked up these, they're calling them luggage tags, but they're holiday tags from the Dollar Tree. And then what I'm going to use to mark my dates is just a Sharpie. So I'm just going to take some of these tags, if I can open them up here. And pull them out. And they already come with like this ribbon, or I don't know what you want to call this stuff to attach it. But if you want to make it look cuter, you can always use like some baker's twine that you can get from the Dollar Tree. So we have the fun tags here. So like I said, all I'm going to do is on the back of the tag, I'm just going to write 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get all 24 days for your advent calendar. And then we're going to take our bag and we're going to just pop our items in our bag so you can put them in whatever order you want to do. I think I'm going to start with this one. And then fold your bag over like so. And then you'll hole punch your bag. And like I said, you can use the ribbon stuff that it comes with, or if you want to zhuzh it up, you can use the baker's twine. And then I lost the numbers that I just did, you guys. Oi, I would lose my head if it wasn't attached. I swear. Oh, here we go. So number 1, take this. And I'm going to string it through like so. I'm going to get there, you guys. I'm going to get there. Give yourself some length. And tie a bow. And then you have your first bag for your advent calendar. And then you're just going to repeat the process with all of your bags and all of your goodies. Now, if you want prettier bags, you guys, they do have prettier, like, holiday bags at Dollar Tree that you could purchase if you want. So go right ahead to do that. But if you want a less expensive, more look, you can use these. So there's 1. Where's 2? Where is 2? Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, here's 2. Boy, I swear I know what I'm doing. So the same thing. Cut your twine. Sometimes the little hole, you need to kind of pop it out because, you know, it's the Dollar Tree. They say you get what you pay for. This one I did a little long. That's okay. We can cut off the excess. And these are super fun little ways to do an advent calendar for your family or friends or neighbors or whatever you want to do. I mean, just look at how cute that is, you guys. I just think it's so adorable, and it's so easy to make. And you don't have to do like individual gifts if you don't want to. Like, this came from a pack of 3 that I just split up. So if you have like a pack of like granola bars or fruit snacks or something that you want to split up to get more bang for your buck, instead of spending $1.25 or $1 each day, you can just split up packs of stuff and use them in your gift bags as well. So they, like I said, pretty easy to do and lots of fun and all sorts of goodies that you could put into your gift bags for your advent calendars for your loved ones. I bet you guys thought we were done, but we're not. I have a little bit more to share with you guys. After some contemplation, I had some more ideas that go along with this project that make it a little bit easier for you guys, especially if you're making multiple advent calendar sets. So stay tuned and see what's going on. Okay, so I was thinking after I made the other bags that you guys might want something a little bit more simple, a little bit less complicated, especially if you're making multiple advent calendars. So I got you covered. So here is a great way to upcycle old Christmas cards. Just cut the front off of an old Christmas card. Take your brown paper bag. Take your glue stick. Slap some glue on there. Place it on your bag. And then, if you don't want
to do the whole like ribbon and twine stuff, you can just place your gift inside your bag, fold it over, and staple it. And then you got a cute advent calendar bag where you have upcycled your Christmas cards, staple it, super cute. And then of course you need the date, so you can just grab a Sharpie, which I probably should have done this first, and you can put the dates. So you could put like the date on your card. And then that is an easy peasy way to go. And like I said, you get to upcycle your Christmas cards. And you know, your girl is all about recycling and upcycling. And then if you want to go super even easier, Dollar Tree sells these chalk stickers. And they also sell a chalk writing marker. So what you could do is take one of these stickers, stick it on your bag, use a piece of chalk or this chalk writer, write your date on there, take your gift, stick it inside, fold it over, staple it, and you are done and done, my friends. So there's an easier alternative for you, especially if you are on a time crunch and you don't want to mess with hole punches and ribbon or twine or any of that nonsense.
Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed our projects that I shared with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It's completely free and it helps me out. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We have a good time here on my channel. Lots of fun, laughter, shenanigans, and it's your one-stop shop for your entertainment needs. I got a little something for everybody here. Thank you again. I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate you taking the time out to watch my videos and for the support. And I want to say welcome to anyone that is new to my channel recently. Thank you so much for coming over and subscribing and joining my family. And to those of you that have been with me for the long haul, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful rest of your week. And until next time, goodbye.